because intatile laphaya it's worth 4,000 or even 5.5. And ngiposelwe ama-spices iphasela lami lafika linama-salo tape, okusho ukuthi baliqaqile eDurban, babona ukuthi into engaphakathi it's not worth much, balivala baliqhubekisa nendlela. So inkinga usho ukuthi vele iseDurban because iphasela lifikile eDurban ibona abazi ukuthi benzeni. Usho ukuthi vele lapha eThekwini nenza ubugebengu namaphasela abantu, if nibona ukuthi it's not worth much niyabaqhubekisa niwa-deliver if into i-worth. Guys, like umoya wami uphukile, angazi nokuthi ngizothini kuma, angazi kwayilo 4,000 ngizowuvala ngani.
Mlalelo wami kupena uphi la kufinya khona lombuso njengamanje ngiyakubingelela ukubingelela uyena ke uMathinda Gcose intambo zomqama lamehlaka abanye baqamela imali intatheli yakhe ehlele kulethela ehamba phambili nehleli ifuna ukuthi ihleli inawe ikhuluma nawe izwa uvo lakho mayelana nodaba esokulethile namhlanje sekuphathela udaba lakhe ke usesi osuke wathathelwa noma ke ukhala ngoPexi ukuthi engazi ukuthi ekuqaleni uma wakhe wayemphathisele izipayisi zisuka ngasekhaya eThekwini ziza ePitoli kwase kuba ukuthi zifika ngala uplastic usuke waqaqwa wafaka isari tape. UPexi ke uzokhumbula mlalelo wami ukuthi ihlobo noma yinto noma indlela okuthunyelelwa ngayo njengamanje isikhathi sanamhlanje uma ngabe ukude kakhulukazi esebenza ngophepha, uma ngabe umuntu ezokufakela kaphepha impahla usoyikhuluma ngawo ke uPexi. So ngenzela ukuthi nanombani akwazi ukuthi asheshe ayithole injongo noma ke asheshe akwazi ukuthi aphawule ngento ayazi. Mawuthi wakwayifaka impahla yakho kaphepha baningi kakhulu abantu abakhalayo kodwa ke namhlanje siphathele isitori sakhe usisi ekhala ngawo ke uPhepha ukuthi hey bangenzakalisa kaphepha njengoba ke bake bafika beqaqile njengoba ke namhlanje bengithumele impahla eworth 5,500 kodwa ke engathi my sister lapha uyayixuba indaba ukuthi 5,000 ngokunyathi 4,000 uthi impahla kodwa ke ayibange isafika ekhaya usikhona sokuthi ifike ekhaya ubeke esethola imiyalezo yokuthi engazi ukuthi imoto noma ke iphasela lakhe lehijackiwe. Uthe umelandelela kahle kahle akasatholi into ekuyona kumele ayithole kodwa ke bathe bangakwazi ukuthi ephaseleni lakhe njengoba lilahlekile bemkhokhele imali engango 500 kule mali akade ibala uma sister cha angiboni yenze sense kakhulu lento ka 500 kodwa ke uPexi bafethu awenze ngenye indlela. Ngabe ke nawe bake warojwa abantu bakaPexi noma khona into yake yenzeka ngokuthumela lezi zinto zokuthumela lezi zinto kaphepha usitshele nje umlalelo wami ukuthi ngempela wena kwenzakalani lapho ku-comment section bese ke ngifakela na story sakhe my sister echaza mayelana nodaba lwakhe noPexi. Wena ke hlala nami mina ngihlale nawe ungakhohlwa ukuthi mayiqhubeka le video subscribe futhi mayiqhubeka uphinde ulike mayiqhubeka iphela wenze sure ukuthi uyacomment ukuthi kwahlela noma isiphi story saziyo ngawo ke uPexi esingekho right
Sanibonani guys, njani? Ngizocela usizo lwenu la. So i-backstory imeso February uma bekangiposele ama-spices from Durban to Pretoria. Uma iphasela lifika kumina lifika linama-salo tape, livalwe ngama-salo tape. Sharp, I didn't pay much attention because ama-spice yabo, but that thing ikhani ifika manje ukuthi kusho ukuthi vele liphasela leli balivulile babona ukuthi lento engaphakathi ayinayo value and then bayivala ngama-salo tape bayiletha ePretoria. Sharp. So ike ngibhene nayo manje ukuthi Monday ngaposa something from Pretoria to Durban, ngiposela ubani uma ngiposa using 3 days option, 3 to 5 days option, okusho ukuthi day 3 was on Thursday and the parcel did arrive in Durban lafika ngo 9:28 at Durban ekseni. Yes, okusho ukuthi delivery bekumele yenzeke ngawo Thursday, Friday or namhlanje, which was supposed to be the last day. Friday ngingene ku WhatsApp ngizama ukucheck iparcel because iparcel bengiyichecka ngo WhatsApp. Ngingene ngizama ukuchecka Friday bathi it's after working hours or after business days ntontontonton. Ngiphume kubona ngitshesa ngizolinda Monday 8 AM yimi lo ngiyangena Pexi ngiyazama ngizama ukutrack. Into yokuqala engiyinosisile ukuthi one, awasekho ama-automated responses yezo. Fine. Bangirefer to umuntu, I think bangirefer to abantu abawu-2 cause oqala bengekho consistent, owesi-2 his name is Yolo or her name is Yolo. Sharp siya-texta so WhatsApp. Afuna i-tracking number ngimsendele, emva kwalokho athi my parcel has been marked as short received. And then I asked the person, what do you mean my parcel has been marked as short received? Athi it could be ukuthi lifikile e-Reservoir Hills Mall and my assistant didn't mark it as received or they didn't scan the parcel. And 2, it could be driver is on his way to e-Reservoir Hills Mall. Sharp. And ngiqhubeke ngichathe naye ngizama uku-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani, and ama-response akhe awekho consistent wabo. Bengimtext respond after 15 minutes, ngifike ngize double text. Lokho siqhubekile sitext, mind you, it's from 8 ekuseni kuze kube umanje, which is 9:57. Emva kwesikhathi kungena imessage ethi my parcel has been hijacked. What do you mean my parcel has been hijacked? Nine Durban nivula ama-parcel novale ngama-sellotape afike la kuthina asenama-sellotape if into engaphakathi ingekho available. And into engiyiposile this time around, it was worth 4K and worth even 5.5 in that matter. Sharp. Ingqondo kuyaqala iyasangana guys, angazi ngizothatha ini ngihlanganise ini, nginenkinga za-NSFAS nje ukuqala imali abayingenile abanye abantu baholile. Sengiyaphenika. Imali le espendwe kulento eposiwe 4,000 yabo. Bengibafonela bathi yes, the parcel has been hijacked in Durban and ayikho into abangayenza ukuthi nje bangicompensate nge-500 and then that's it. I was like, okay, cool. I-hijack i-reportwe kuphi? Ngifuna ukwenza i-follow up, I wanna understand ukuthi i-hijack iyenzeke kuphi and then iyiphi police station ekureportwe kuyona, and abantu aba-expect ama-parcel from that driver up awabo. Is it just me because into yami kade iphakathi kuleya bag it's worth imali? Like ngifuna uku-understand ukuthi kwenzakalani guys, because into adila phaya it's worth 4,000 or even 5.5 and ngiposelwe ama-spices. Iparcel lami lafika linama-sellotape okusho ukuthi baliqaqile eDurban, babona ukuthi into engaphakathi it's not worth much, balivala baliqhubekisa nendlela. So inkinga usho ukuthi vele iseDurban because iparcel afikile eDurban ibona abazisibenzeni. Usho ukuthi vele lapha eThekwini nenza ubugebengu ngivula ama-parcel abantu, if nibona ukuthi it's not worth much niyabaqhubekisa niwa-deliver if into i-worth. Guys, like umoya wami uphukile, angazi nokuthi ngizothini kuma, angazi kwayilo 4,000 ngizovala ngani because 500 ngekuzwenze lutho. Honestly angeke uzwenze lutho kwaye mina nginenkinga zami, angazi ngicela usiza, angazi nokuthi ngizoqala.